Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make apple pie crust at home using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. The key to a flaky crust is using very cold butter and ice water. This helps create steam during baking, resulting in that perfect texture. Let's get started with our simple, delicious recipe. Now let's combine our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour and salt. Then, add your very cold cubed butter. Using a pastry blender or your fingertips, quickly work the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs with some larger, pea-sized pieces. This step is crucial for developing that wonderful flaky texture we all love. Next, it's time to add the ice water. Slowly drizzle in 6 to 8 tablespoons, one at a time, mixing gently after each addition. You want the dough to just come together, not be sticky or wet. Be careful not to overmix, as this can develop the gluten too much, leading to a tough crust. We're aiming for tender flakiness. Finally, we're almost ready to bake. Divide your dough into 2 equal discs and wrap each tightly in plastic. Chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps the gluten relax and makes the dough easier to roll. When ready, roll out your chilled dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/8 inch thick, and it's ready for your delicious apple pie filling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.